सर्वीस तुमचे सगळें बघून देवाक आमी आर्गां दिल्या देवान सगळें आमकां दिलां आमच्या जिविताक लागता पळय तें संवसारान देवान सगळें आमकां प्रोविजन केलां.
आज सारको खुशालकायेचो दीस. आज आमी ब्लेसिंग केलो आमचे सालपेलेक. आज म्हळ्यार आमचो 4th कॉन्जिक्युटीव इयर हे शेताचें कल्टिवेशन आमी स्टार्ट केलां आनी स्टार्ट केली ती ही न्यू एरिया गेली आमी ऑलरेडी फ्रॉम शिरवडे सायड. ही पाळ पडली, ही कल्टिवेशनाक करूं ना आमी. ही जायते पोल्युशन आनी जायते त्रास आहले ही लँड करपाक, पूण आयज आमी स्टार्ट केलो. ऑलमोस्ट मोर दॅन 35 इयर्सान ही जमीन गेली आमी. सो ही जमीन ऑलमोस्ट 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh आसतली. तेच भाशेन लास्ट 3 years आमी आमचो पयलो भाग तो म्हळ्यार लेकाच्या दुसरे वाटेन शेतां आहाय ती ऑलमोस्ट रोयत येयले लास्ट 3 years. सो ती एरिया ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 आहली. सो व्हडलो खुशालकायेचो दीस ही एरिया घेवपाक. सो ऑल इन ऑल टोटल आमगेली 3 lakhs जातली. 3 lakhs फुल्ली 3 lakhs जातली. सो जायतीं शेतां आहाय तशें करून स्लोली बाय स्लोली इंच बाय इंच आमी एवरी इयर घेतले आनी फूल एरिया ही कवर करून दाखयतले.
आमी खरेंच खुशाल आयज आमचे गांवचे नावेलच्या गांवचे शेतकार आमची संस्था बरे भशेन आयज हो प्रकल्प हातान घेता. सुमार 1 लाख जमीन परतें शेत कामत करून रोवन फळादीक करून तांकां पयले सातेर हांव सगल्यांक शाबासकी दिता. तेच बरोबर फादर पादोस ताच्या हात काला, ताच्या प्रेरणा काला, ताच्या मार्गदर्शना काला ही सगल्यो बऱ्यो वस्तू घडटा. खरेंच ह्यो जाणवाय हाडपा सारक्यो वस्तू आनी तोखणाय करपा सारक्यो वस्तू. जेन्ना शेतकामात कोण रोवंक सोदिना आसात मरे मनीस जे सरकारी फुडाऱ्यांच्या आसऱ्याखाल आदारा बरोबर शेतकामात करून आदार दिता. म्हणटच आमी तांचेर देवाचो आशिर्वाद मागता आनी आमच्यांनी तर कितें करूं येता नावेलच्या गांवांत शेतकामात करूपाक आमी सदांच फुडें. आमकां लोकांचो सपोर्ट जाय. लोकांचो सपोर्ट आहा आमी आहा. लोकांचो सपोर्ट ना जाल्यार आमच्यांनी कांयच करूंक जायना. आनी इस्कॉलाच्याय भुरग्यांच्याय मनान आनी काळजान जमनीन हात घालून जमनींतल्यान ओपन करून शिकोवपाची गरज. इतको आमी ल्हान आसतना माय निरोल्यां मारतालीं, आडे करतालीं आनी सगळें करून आमी भाजी पुलो आमचोच खाताले. आतां तें सगळें बाजारांतलें खावपाचें भायलें खावपाचें जालां. पूण तरी आसतना इल्लें इल्लें आमच्यान तर सुरू करीत कोणें तर सुरू करीत जाल्यार हें आमच्या आतांच्याय भुरग्यांच्याय मनान घालूं येता. सगळ्यांक बरें आनी देवाचो आशिर्वाद मागून ह्या प्रकल्पाक बरें आवडलें.
It is a very happy occasion to see the Salpe Farmers Association doing consistent work in cultivating the meadowlands, especially paddy fields, and they have done a lot of effort. Most notable feature is that everybody has come together to do it. आणि अनेक सांगपाक सोदता की long time back, about 1 year back, they had made an application for allowing the group or association to take benefit of the scheme. One-time removal of the weeds, shrubs and bushes. Earlier the associations and groups were not allowed. Now the government has made an amendment to this circular. So now the groups are allowed. So I would appeal to this medium for the group to apply for this scheme. The subsidy will be 1 rupee 50 paise per square meter. All you have to do is to have a resolution of the group and other documents like declaration which the president can sign on behalf of the group. Also submit the photographs showing the shrubs and send a file for approval. Once the approval is given, you can start the work, begin the work, and then you have to again submit the photographs and the bills. So exact the list of documents, whatever is there, I will send it by WhatsApp. So accordingly you can apply. Once the file reaches the district office, you can immediately clear.
Okay, it has made people awake across Goa. Okay, people are raising their voices to protect the land and to protect what God has given to the community of Goa. These initiatives which have been taken across Goa are making a lot of people conscious that we need to care for our earth, we need to care for our fields. And here the leading role is youngsters. Everybody asks me where are the youngsters, okay, and the leading role is taken by James and Jordan, okay, a leading role of the youngsters to take care of the land of Goa. Service providers, we are there. especially Viraj, as you have mentioned already. There is Sheriff Rozia, who has been earlier associated with this whole project. Together with that, the WRD has cooperated to a certain extent, and the farmer is always there, okay, always on site. We have tried to do everything mechanized. Okay, we don't want people to get into manual. Okay, and we can do it, and that's why it is succeeding. And another important aspect of succeeding is this collective mentality. We are not only collective, but we have become a group, a union, and therefore it has a lot of force. Okay? And that's what's making things happen in Goa. Thank you very much. We at Don Bosco's will give maximum cooperation. We can handle very much. Okay. As much as possible we can handle. Okay. We just need people to come together and say, "Come, let's do it," and we are there to help you to do it. We are going to buy a lot of machines during this season. Okay, and we are trying to make village by village self-sufficient.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.